J-36. China shakes up U.S. air dominance. What if China had developed a sixth-generation stealth fighter jet that could challenge American air dominance and win? The J-36, still shrouded in mystery, might just be that jet. With rumors of AI-powered combat systems, drone integration, and hypersonic capability, it's not just a new aircraft, it could be the beginning of a shift in global power. As details continue to leak, military analysts and defense insiders are paying close attention. Is this China's answer to the U.S. Air Force's future fleet? And if so, what does it mean for the future of warfare? For decades, the United States held unquestionable air superiority, led by cutting-edge platforms like the F-22 Raptor and the upcoming NGAD next-generation air dominance fighter. But China, determined to close the gap, has rapidly expanded its military aviation programs, and now whispers of a sixth-generation fighter jet, the J-36, have the world watching. China's stealth fighter ambitions aren't new. With the Chengdu J-20 already in service, China made it clear that it wasn't content with simply playing catch-up. The J-36, if real, could mark a new era in Chinese air dominance strategy, shifting the balance in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. While official information is scarce, a combination of leaked intelligence, satellite imagery, and insider defense reports suggest a stealth platform beyond fifth-generation capabilities. Some even speculate that the J-36 could match or surpass America's most advanced next-gen prototypes. The J-36's origins, rumors, or reality. Initial whispers about the J-36 began circulating around 2021 when satellite images from Shenyang Aircraft Corporation showed strange airframe developments inconsistent with the existing J-31 or FC-31 prototypes. Defense analysts suggested that this could be part of a next-generation stealth program aimed at matching the U.S. NGAD project. The J-36 is believed to be developed by Shenyang, not Chengdu, the developer of the J-20, signaling a shift in responsibilities within China's aviation industry. Shenyang's past experience with naval aviation also leads some to believe the J-36 could be carrier-capable, a major threat to U.S. Navy dominance in the Pacific. Although the Chinese government hasn't confirmed the jet's existence, state-controlled media and select military officials have made vague references to a new generation fighter in development. This adds further weight to the theory that the J-36 isn't science fiction, it's in the pipeline. Design and stealth features. From what we know so far, the J-36 is likely a tailless Delta or flying wing configuration similar to what we see in B-2 Spirit bombers and the conceptual US NGAD aircraft. Such a design significantly reduces radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to traditional radar systems. Advanced radar-absorbing materials, RAM internal weapons bays, and embedded sensors are all expected to be part of the airframe. Some rumors also suggest that China may be experimenting with plasma stealth technologies to further enhance the J-36's invisibility. Visually, it's speculated that the J-36 has no vertical stabilizers, enabling all-aspect stealth and high maneuverability. If confirmed, this would signal a major leap in Chinese aerospace engineering, rivaling or even exceeding U.S. capabilities in stealth design, propulsion, and speed. Reports hint that the J-36 might be powered by advanced WS-19 or WS-21 engines, potentially featuring adaptive cycle technology. This would allow the aircraft to switch between subsonic efficiency and high-speed thrust, possibly reaching speeds up to Mach 2.5 or even hypersonic levels. Hypersonic propulsion would allow the J-36 to launch deep strikes with little warning and retreat before adversaries can react. Combined with stealth, it could bypass traditional air defense systems with ease. China has made major advances in scramjet technology and high-temperature composite materials, suggesting that integrating hypersonic propulsion into a manned fighter jet isn't out of reach. If true, this would be a game-changer. Artificial intelligence and smart combat systems. One of the biggest trends in sixth-generation fighter design is the integration of artificial intelligence. The J-36 is rumored to feature an onboard AI combat system that assists the pilot with target acquisition, threat analysis, and autonomous operations. This AI could allow for semi-autonomous or fully unmanned operation modes, enabling the aircraft to fly dangerous missions without risking human life. It also allows for faster decision-making in high-pressure environments, something human pilots can't always achieve. Moreover, China's rapidly growing AI capabilities in military and civilian sectors mean the J-36 could incorporate neural networks, predictive threat algorithms, and real-time sensor fusion. This makes it not just a fighter jet, but a flying supercomputer. Drone swarming and loyal wingmen integration. If there's one battlefield innovation that defines sixth-generation platforms, it's manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT. The J-36 is believed to operate alongside semi-autonomous drones, often referred to as loyal wingmen. These drones could serve a variety of roles, acting as decoys, gathering intelligence, performing electronic warfare, or even carrying weapons. Controlled directly from the J-36 cockpit or via AI protocols, these unmanned systems dramatically expand the jet's capabilities. By extending sensor range, increasing survivability, and overwhelming enemy defenses with swarm tactics. Drone integration makes the J-36 not just a solo threat, but the command center of a digital air war. This echoes similar efforts seen in the U.S. Air Force's Skyborg and Loyal Wingman programs, weapon systems, and payload capabilities. China has already developed a formidable arsenal of advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. The J-36 is expected to carry these internally, including the PL-15 and PL-21 long-range missiles, which can engage targets beyond visual range. There's speculation that the J-36 could also be equipped with directed energy weapons, such as high-energy lasers or microwave systems. These would allow it to disable enemy electronics or even destroy missiles mid-air. Its internal bays may also house hypersonic glide vehicles, giving it strike capabilities far beyond conventional fighters. Combined with stealth, this allows for silent, precise, and sudden attacks against both land and naval targets. Counterstealth and EW capabilities. Fighting stealth with stealth is no longer enough. The J-36 is rumored to feature advanced electronic warfare systems designed to detect, jam, or spoof enemy radar and communications. Counter-stealth sensors could include passive infrared tracking systems, quantum radar experiments, and AI-driven threat prediction tools. This would make the J-36 not only hard to detect, but also deadly against other stealth aircraft. By integrating real-time data from satellites, drones, and ground-based radars, the J-36 can build a complete picture of the battle space, making it nearly impossible to surprise. It's an eye in the sky that also packs a punch. Strategic implications. If the J-36 is as advanced as current rumors suggest, it could change the military balance in Asia and challenge American air dominance worldwide. The U.S. Navy, Air Force, and regional allies would need to rethink force deployments, especially around Taiwan and the South China Sea. China could deploy the J-36 in forward bases, giving it long-range strike capability deep into contested airspace. Combined with naval operations and satellite support, this jet would be a pillar in China's anti-access area, denial A-2AD strategy. Additionally, it could be a key tool in psychological warfare. The mere threat of an invisible, unstoppable jet could alter the way adversaries plan missions and deploy their own forces. The global response, how the U.S. and allies are reacting. The U.S. is already accelerating its own NGAD program, with experimental sixth-generation jets already in test flights. The F-35 and F-22 are being upgraded, while drone and satellite warfare capabilities are being expanded. Allies like Japan, the UK, and Australia are also investing in sixth-gen technology, with the Tempest and FX programs taking shape. NATO is building stronger cyber defense systems and expanding air defense networks to counter future threats. Still, the J-36's emergence could force an arms race. If China fields a viable sixth-generation platform before the U.S., it could change alliances, trade routes, and military strategies worldwide. Whether the J-36 is ready to fly or still a concept, one thing is certain: the world is watching. It represents more than a new piece of military hardware. It's a symbol of China's ambitions, its technological progress, and its determination to reshape global power. If the J-36 lives up to its rumored capabilities, it could mark a seismic shift in military aviation. The skies of the 2030s and 2040s may no longer be ruled solely by American jets. A new challenger has entered the airspace, and it's flying under the radar. Is the age of U.S. air dominance coming to an end? The J-36 might just be the first sign of what's next. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights into the world of next-gen military tech. What do you think? Is the J-36 a game changer or just hype? Let us know in the comments below.